Hey, welcome back to the channel. So first, do me a favor and subscribe. Thank you. Let's get to 1000 subscribers. I'm extremely excited about this video. As you saw from the title, this is a Nike Dunk, my first ever. A silhouette which I think is extremely overrated. And if you watched my previous videos, you know I always said I hate this sneaker. But I was browsing the Nike website and I found these on the option of customizing them with Nike by You for a good price, just $130. Some of the general releases in some of the shops here are 190 euros, which is kind of fucking ridiculous. This box just came in. It's kind of heavy. It has no Nike branding on it. It took exactly 1 month for these to get here from the actual order to the delivery. It took 2 days for these to arrive from Hong Kong to Europe, and it took about 4 to 5 days for these to arrive to my address in the same city, which is ridiculous. I have my real carbon fiber unboxing pocket knife right here. I just want to say that I wanted to make these like no other Nike Dunks. I didn't want to replicate another colorway or use the normal materials. I'm going to do a full review of these, especially because, as I said, I kept on saying these Nike Dunks are extremely overrated. Let's stop the music for a bit. I can see the actual box. Of course, Nike by You. It doesn't say my name there. Doesn't show the design of the actual sneaker. That's a bit odd. Yo, what the hell, bruh? Look at the embroidered name on the back. I've decided to use their recycled fabric here to avoid creases. I've decided to mask the huge Nike logo on the side, but do this in white to match with the one on the tongue, which you cannot change. I'm really surprised this is embroidered on the back. I thought it was going to be a print. Let's take out the other one. Inside you just have their normal Nike by You paper. I really like them a lot. Let me know what do you think about this design. That's it. Subscribe. Thank you. Bye.